everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I'm so excited you could join us today. Welcome to all those that are new to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now, for those of you that are new to stamping or Stampin' Up! Or paper crafting, you may not know this. But Stampin' Up! Carries some beautiful embellishments, and we are actually able to color them in. Now, these ones here come from the Noble Peacock, and these are already pre-colored, you guys, and they're so pretty. But sometimes we have a project and we need to make our own color. So, Stampin' Up! Have Stampin Blends, and they also have Stampin' Right markers. Now, you can use either or, and you can actually color in the different embellishments using your markers. So, that was with the blend. How cool. So you can actually color your own embellishments. Now this is the clear faceted gems, and again, you can color these in. And depending on the color of your choice and your project would determine what to use. Now I like the blends, but both the Stampin' Right marker and the blends work just the same, you guys. Super cool. So again, you're able to change the color depending on your project. Now, sometimes the embellishments are already colored for us, so we don't really have to do much, but sometimes they're not. And we also have pearls. Where are my pearls? We have beautiful pearls that we can also color. Now this is my last pearl. I just discovered. This is my last one. But yeah, we can also color our pearls in, you guys. What else do we have here? So yeah, just a nice way to use some of our embellishments that we have. And again, we can just color them in, which is really awesome. These are like clear accents. And again, like these clear type accents, you can also use either a marker or a Stampin' Blend and color it in. Super cool. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.